Hey everybody, welcome back. So I have this piece of scrap wood here. We're going to make a Christmas DIY today, super easy. And I'm taking some brown paint and I'm just painting the front side of the piece of wood. You could go and do the sides and the back, but I decided for this project that I don't need to do that. So once I get the brown paint on, I am going to take a wipe and just wipe off any excess paint that I got on the sides just to clean it up. So I'll give that a quick dry. Make sure all of the areas are nice and dry. And I have this cute napkin. It's a Santa head. I'm just gonna cut off a portion of it, and I do remove the back. I think it's a 2-ply, so I do remove that. But what I'm doing here is going around the whole napkin, and I don't want that harsh line, so I'm going in and just ripping around the edges just a little bit to give that rough edge, and that'll look so much better when I Mod Podge this onto the piece of wood. I'm going now in with the crackle effect, and this is a crackle. I forget the name of it, but it's a crackle. It's made by Folk Art, and you put it on, you let it dry really well, and then you take the color of your choice, the paint, and brush it over the top. But you don't want to overbrush or the technique will not work. And I'll paint this all the way down, and then I will use my heat gun to dry it, and the crackle effect will happen. It's only a little bit, so it's hard to see on camera, but there is a little bit of crackle as it starts to dry. Once it's all good and dry, I'm taking my hand sander and just giving it a quick once over around the edges and on the top to give it a nice smooth surface. And now I take some Mod Podge and I put my Santa head napkin on top, and then I'm going to seal it with another layer of Mod Podge. Then I'm going to just take some distressing ink and go around the edges to give it more of a distressed look. I have two different colors here, the light one and a dark one. I usually like to mix these together. I think it turns out really pretty. And then I'm going in with a little bit of brown paint to give it a chippy look. And I really think this project turned out adorable. Very easy to make. Look for those holiday napkins. And thank you all so much for watching. Please like and subscribe and have a great day.